Welcome back friends in our channel Art Live with Mohammed Shehzad. Today we are going to make a multicolor cooling flower with the paper strip. For that we need 30 mm die, 20 mm die round, comb, cooling tool, glue and some multicolor strips. So friends, let's start to first from the basic from middle. We need 150 mm green strip that makes the tight roll. In the middle we have to put it that one. Use the cooling tool and make the tight roll. As it is, we make the other tight rolls. Then after that we have to use the pink color that can make the petal sorry, for the flower basic. Now we have to use 30 mm die. We put the glue in the corner, then press on the top and make the die pink and red and green petals same size. We will make one like a red one, then also green will same. Put on 20 mm die, same stuff. That we make both red and green, both are 150 mm strip. For red we have to bend to make a shape of curved petal. After that we have to put the round, that size is 85 mm. We put 3 strips, black and 2 green. After that we use before that we need the blue tight roll 150 mm that make the flower in the round. Then after that we have to use the 297 mm strip of purple color that make a tight roll which we put around the round circle. We need 32 purple tight rolls that can make outside, and then we need a petal. Also these petals are 32 we need that make a complete flower. You have to use the comb, 150 mm green, yellow, 150 mm blue. It makes a very nice petal, color petal. We make it friends everything. Pink we need 6, green we need 6, red we need 12, blue we need 6, round purple we need 32, and yellow and blue we need 32. Let's get started friends to putting the stuff on the paper. So finally friends, we complete our multicolor cooling flower with the multicolor cooling strips. I hope you like our video. Please comment below the video if you like and subscribe our channel. Like the video, share the video and press the bell icon that you can look below the video. It will give it to you the notification whenever we upload new video. So until next video friends, stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.